Hey everyone, this is Chris from Candi. I just want to give everybody here a quick tutorial video on what WordPress MU is. So, WordPress MU, basically, let's start by saying MU stands for multi-user. And it's a little bit complex to explain, but bottom line, it divides the settings for every single plugin that you install on a WordPress site into different users based on different sites you create. So, it allows you to do much more than any normal site can. And the biggest use of it is say I have this example here, travelchillax.com. And this is just a guinea pig site of ours, so just know we're not messing up anything on a live site. So let's say I wanted to create a different travel site for every single major city. So I'm going to have malibu.travelchillax.com. And these are essentially microsites under the mother site. So this has a separate navigation, totally separate content. I know it's not pretty yet, but we just want to show you. And then say I have another one for like Catalina, I believe. We did one for travelchillax.com. Give it a sec here. And boom. And this has the default template look here. So bottom line, you're seeing three sites all on the exact same WordPress platform, except it's in multi-user mode. So I'm going to log into that panel and show you the differences. And hopefully you are a little bit educated on what WordPress is and seen before. So I'm going to kind of skip the basics. I'm going to log in here. Now this looks like my normal dashboard, but it really isn't. So let me explain this. You have what we call a network administrator. This changes everything on the left right now. So everything in here now is for doing system-wide changes. You know, whether it's users that can use the whole site, whether I'm installing plugins. Maybe I want e-commerce on some of these microsites. You've got to basically activate it for everything at once when you do that. But the biggest thing that I want to show you is how easy it is to create a new site. So let me show you this. Here's all the sites I have. These are just microsites I've created on here. Now let's say I want to create a new microsite. This is great for, like, say, you know, if it's a city. Cities always have constant new projects and festivals. What if they could just create their own website instantly on a click of a button and not have to depend on putting an RFP out and building it and taking months to do it? What if you need to make websites really fast based on a pre-approved template? Well, I'm going to click Add New. I'm going to say, I don't know, bluesky.travelchillax.com. And you can see here I get to pick my subdomain. I'm going to just call this Blue Sky. And then I'm going to say I'm the administrator of this one. I'm going to add a site. Now let's pop up another little tab and let's just try it right now. bluesky.travelchillax.com. Let's see if that works. Oh wow, I can't believe it. I just created a brand new website. It's got its own navigation. Now let's say I want to start administrating. I want to add pages and change stuff. I want it to be totally different than any of the other ones that are in there. So I'm going to click back on the sites button here and I'm going to find it in here. Here's Blue Sky. You can see every single one of these has their own dashboard. That means everything in this WordPress panel is going to be just about that microsite. So I'm going to click Dashboard for Blue Sky. Let's see what we got going on here. First thing you want to usually do is get the right pages in there and start editing your pages. So here's the pages. I can sit here, you know, just say test page, la 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 la. That would be my description. I'm just doing this really quick so you can see. And now I can come back in here and let's see, go to the menu system. And I just added that new page. Let's see here. Or actually, oops, sorry, you know what? That should automatically have gone in there because this is a different template. So, oh, look at that. There you go. Test is on there already. It's already built itself on there. Obviously, this is not the look you don't want, though. So what we do at Candi here is we'll create a custom template that you can build your microsites on that matches your brand, that has your logo, that has a navigation style that you like and fonts that you like. It'll look beautiful. But the bottom line of this video is I just want you to understand the core functionality. I just created a brand new microsite on a subdomain of my main domain. And in less than a few minutes, I easily was able to add pages, delete pages, and control it. And that is pretty much the huge advantage of having a WordPress MU site. Create microsites instantly, keep them under your domain. And just a word of advice for SEO, for search engine optimization, if a site is a subdomain of your main domain, it's going to be a better SEO strategy. You don't want to launch different domain names. A long time ago, actually not even a long time ago, a year or two ago, people started saying microsites just a bad idea, and meaning by microsites a whole separate domain, and restarting, getting more hosting again, and doing all your SEO work again, building up link popularity. Not a good idea. It's much better to create a subdomain of your main domain, and everything gets that same credibility with search engines, and it's going to help you a lot there. Not to mention, all your sites can now be controlled from one big dashboard in WordPress MU.